friends, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I am going to share an important tip for your baby. Generally, soon after birth, you have to check whether your baby has urinated or not. If you want to check, this tip is useful. Or else, if your baby has not urinated for a long time, at that time you can use this tip to make your baby to urinate immediately. Before starting, remove your baby disposable diaper and put down any cloth diaper first. Then take a gauze piece or small piece of cotton cloth. Soak it in cool water. Squeeze out the excess water. Keep the cloth over lower abdomen, that is, just above the genitals. Then immediately your baby will urinate. Try this tip on your baby and do comment in the comment section. If you like this video, hit like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.